Hey guys, so today I'll be installing Dongar Technologies Dashcam power adapter on a 2021 Toyota Sienna hybrid. This is a 10-pin Type B for Toyota and Lexus vehicles. There's a long list of vehicles that are compatible with this adapter, so you might want to take a look at their website and see if this is something that works on your vehicle. So let me just show you what comes with this box. So for starters, you obviously get the 10-pin Type B adapter. There we go. And here's the USB end. And you also get something that's pretty cool. You actually get two short length USB cables. One is a micro and one is a mini. So depending on which dashcam you have and what it needs, you can use either of these. In my case, I will be installing a Garmin Dashcam 47, which uses a micro. So I am just gonna do that. Just keep it ready to go. There we go. And something to note is that the dashcam itself comes with a cable that's obviously compatible, but it's extremely long, and there's a good chance you're probably not going to use it. So I'm sitting in a 2021 Toyota Sienna, and the first thing I want to do when installing this dashcam adapter is I want to get this mirror out of the way first. So I'm just going to do that by rotating this lower. And now that I have that, I have a better access to this plastic panel up here. So there are two pieces to this panel, and I want to remove both of them, and starting off with removing this piece right here. It is a little tight to get your finger sort of wedged in here, but you're gonna need to hold this piece in place and pop this off. So here we go. So this is what it looks like with the inner shroud removed, and that is the connector that we need access to. We also need to remove this panel as well, and that's going to be done by sliding it down that way. I'll show you how that's done and what's behind this as well. So here's the plastic panel that's going to need to be removed behind your rearview mirror. This is what's hiding all of the cables and the adapters that we need access to. So before I pop the inner shroud off, let me just show you what it looks like on the inside so you have an idea of what you're taking off or breaking. We have a little tab like this, and it's on a hinge. And these are the other tabs that sort of just slide in and keep this entire panel in place. So I can't just pop this off like this, so I'm gonna need to put it against this surface. And so if I show you how to pop it off, you would just, that's it. And yes, it sounds a little concerning, but don't be alarmed. It's a pretty stiff piece, and it's kind of the only way for this thing to come off. So if I were to pop this back in, you would just slide this into place like this. Boom. And so let me just show you again. So if this is on the vehicle right now, just put your hand up here, hold this piece in place, and simply pop it off. And there you go. So this is what it looks like with the panel removed. And the adapter that we're going to need to access is the one right here. So let's get that out and plug it into our Dongar Dashcam adapter. All right, now let's see if I can remove this with one hand. All right, so it was a little bit challenging getting it off with one hand and holding the camera with the other. So I actually just popped this off when I put the camera down, and this is the clip, and I'm just gonna pop that out. So here we go. All right, now that we've got the adapter removed, what we want to do is take this right here and plug it into this guy, and we take this end of the Dongar adapter and we plug it into the vehicle, and it's going to be in the same orientation. So we want to plug it in like this. So here we go. This is what it looks like with the adapter installed. Here's the Dongar adapter that goes into the car and the other end of it, and here is the USB end. And so we're gonna need to tidy this up and pop the panel back on. But before we do that, always just make sure that you have power running to this device. You don't want to put it all back together and find out that you're not actually receiving any power. So the first thing we want to do right now in this case is just power the car on. Make sure everything is seated properly. Awesome. So here we go. You see this blue light? That means you have power running to this device. So let me just plug in my dash cam and let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like with the adapter installed. I already have it plugged into the USB cable and going to my dash cam. So I'm gonna need a memory card obviously for this to work, but looks like it's receiving power. The vehicle is on, and let me see what happens if I turn the vehicle off. So now that I know that the dash cam is receiving power, I'm just gonna tidy up these cables and put the panel back together.